Happy New Year's Eve, or Christmas Eve, I should say.
Christmas Eve.
Happy Christmas Eve. I got my dates wrong. What's going on? I'm here with Frontline Lisi, and happy holidays to everyone. I am here with Frontline Lisi today making a rare appearance. Hello, Frontline.
Hello, I am here.
All right, so this case came on the radar, and I thought it was something interesting, timely. It's something that's in the politics these days, and so I thought maybe this would be a good case to discuss with our viewers and people that like our show, even the ones that don't.
Well, everybody likes our show. Your
Hey,
show.
that's what I want to hear. So I hope you guys are all getting ready to have some fun with family and friends. But this came up and I thought it was a really interesting case. This is a case that was filed in the United States District Court, District of Oregon, Portland Division. I used to live up in Portland. Beautiful, beautiful, up by Lake Oswego. Beautiful, beautiful area. So here's what's going on, though. This is a case by Anita Noel Green, an individual who identifies as a transgender, and she is suing Miss United States of America, LLC, a Nevada limited liability corporation, doing business as United States of America Pageants. And the case, as you can see here, is Gender Identity Discrimination, ORS. Excuse me, that looks like an Oregon revised statute that would prohibit discrimination and a demand for jury trial. So what's going on, Frontline? I don't know if you know, but so I think she had won another contest and then wanted to get into the United States of America pageant and put in an application. The application was rejected. Do you know anything about this?
I don't, but what pageant did she win?
Good question. I don't know.
Show?
I don't know exactly which one it was, but let's I think she was in the Montana one, and I can't remember. I think she won one, but
That's crazy.
well, let's take a look at the allegations here. Let's unpack this baby, as we like to say. Beauty pageants provide female opportunities for academic and professional success locally, nationally, and internationally. Although criticized historically for objectifying women, pageants have developed over history to primarily empower women. Although comparisons of beauty and femininity remain central to the theme of pageants, pageants offer the women who participate in them significant benefits, such as confidence building, team building, public speaking skills, community service, scholarship, and professional opportunities. This is the complaint, by the way, okay? Let's go up here. For the reasons, what happened? For these reasons, the plaintiff began participating in pageant life in 2017 when she became the first, here it is, she became the first transgender contestant in the Miss Montana USA pageant and the third transgender contestant in the Miss Universe pageant program. Plaintiff has continued participating in pageants, earning the title of 2019 Miss Earth Elite Oregon and participating in the Miss Earth Elite National Pageant. Unfortunately, however, plaintiff was excluded from participating in defendant's pageant due to an express discriminatory eligibility policy requiring contestants to be natural-born female. This policy, intentionally designed to exclude the specific class to which plaintiff belongs, transgender females, is discriminatory because it denied plaintiff the full and equal advantages and privileges of defendant services in violation of Oregon's Public Accommodations Law, ORS 659. So I'm not an Oregon lawyer or anything, and I don't even pretend to know what their law is, okay? This is general legal information only and not legal advice. So here they have some definitions. Transgender female is a person whose gender identity as female differs from the assignment of gender at birth. And a cisgender female, a person whose gender identity as female corresponds with their assigned gender at birth. So if you're cisgender, it corresponds. If you're transgender, it differs from your assignment at birth, okay? Plaintiff Anita Noel Green is an openly transgender female and absent defendant's discriminatory policies at all relevant times qualified and still qualifies as a pageant contestant for defendants pageant program. Miss Green was and is at all relevant times a resident of Clackamas, Oregon. All right. So let's just look at some of the allegations here, some allegations on diversity and personal jurisdiction. I'm not going to go over that. I don't think that's going to do much for you. Let's see what happened here.
So this goes in line with these transgenders in these women competitions, and quite honestly, it's not fair because I'm going to stereotype it. Men are physically more fit than women for the most part. I mean, I know there are some women that are, but to have these men competing in these women's competition, I do not think is fair, and vice versa, because these women have worked so hard to get to where they are, and then you bring a man into the picture that was a man but is now thinks is a woman, or maybe is a woman in their mind. I just don't think that that's fair, and it's not an even competition. I mean, there should be a transgender racing sports and what have you.
So you're saying they should create like their own league or something?
Well, yeah, because I mean, again, these sports and the pageants. I mean, if you like, so let's let dogs enter the Miss America pageant. I mean, it gets goofy. It's just a goofy situation, and I mean, I'm so sorry, but I've seen Miss Americas, and these gals are beautiful. I don't think I've seen this person. What's the person's name? Natalie? Anita. Okay, so it used to be, and again, I've seen transgenders that are beautiful too. So I just think this is just kind of getting a little out of control. My 2 cents.
Wow. Okay. Very controversial. No, I'm joking. So let's take a look. Well said. Thank you for your input, Frontline Lisi. And there's going to be a lot of different input. If you have any comments or questions, put them in the comment box. Keep it clean. Keep it friendly. This is not Twitter. We like to have friendly, thoughtful comments. So here is the claim. You can see claim for relief down here. Gender identity discrimination. Again, it's under an Oregon law. And it's filed in federal court here, okay? So let's see. Plaintiff realleges each and every paragraph, blah, blah, blah. Here it is. Here's the crux of it. You can see it's kind of short and sweet. Defendant unlawfully discriminated against plaintiff on the basis of plaintiff's gender identity by denying plaintiff the full and equal advantages and privileges of defendant's services. Plaintiff's gender identity was the sole or motivating factor of defendant's unlawful conduct. Defendant's conduct has caused plaintiff non-economic damages. Plaintiff remains qualified and, absent the discriminatory policy, intends to participate in defendant's program. Plaintiff, therefore, is entitled to injunctive relief. And that would be relief to say judge, to get the judge to say an order, like what we call, there's 2 types of injunction: mandatory injunction and prohibitory injunction. A prohibitory injunction would be stop doing that. If you're building something, building a freeway, the court could order you to stop. Mandatory injunction is where a court says you can go do something. Here, you must let this person in, okay? Plaintiff is entitled to reasonable attorney fees, costs, expert witness fees. So prayer for relief, declaring defendants, let's move down here, prayer for relief, declaring defendants policy unlawful and in violation of the state law there. Awarding plaintiff non-economic damage is an amount to be determined. Reasonable attorney fees, and an order requiring a defendant to remove its discriminatory eligibility policy regarding natural-born females. So there you have it. This one is on the dockets. We'll see what happens. We'll keep you posted. But give us your thoughts. What do you think? Keep it clean. Keep it friendly. And that's what's going on. So just wanted to share that with you. Other than that, we're checking out. We want to thank everybody for watching this year. It's been a great year, and we look forward to 2020. We are going to bring you a lot of great videos. Make sure you subscribe. Tell your friends about this channel. Not too many lawyers are running around doing this kind of stuff, legal analysis, giving you some insights and general legal information, I should say. So, Frontline Lisa, anything you'd like to add?
No, excuse me.
Oh, she wanted to add a cough.
Sorry. Just thank you for subscribing, and we have 17,000 subscribers plus, and my husband works very, very hard to give this advice out there and his opinions, and we get a lot of comments from everybody thanking him. And actually I got an email from a lawyer saying he wanted to talk with you, and that what did he say? Your videos were, what did he say? Real quick, hold on. He said, which I thought I wanted to tell you this morning, I forgot to. He said, it says your online presence is exemplary and exhilarating. So with that, I will leave it. Wow. Everybody have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and Happy Holidays, and may 2020 be the best year for you.
Yahoo! Have fun, you all. Have fun. Thank you for watching. Bye now.